welcome to this tutorial for how to show more than one video at a time. So, the way you do that is a special type of share. So we see here the back camera view. It's back camera because it's selected here, it's tracking me. Here is the stand-in student represented by a water bottle who is tuning in via Zoom. So just pretend this is a Zoom student. If you want to show more than one video at a time, then you click on Share. And the default will be, what screen do you want to share? We're not going to share a PowerPoint now, we're not sharing this. We're going to go to Advanced. We're going to select Second Camera. So now, what we have is a view of the students and a view of me. And from the perspective of the students, they're going to view this as the biggest screen because you're sharing it. And they can make it bigger or smaller, but this is going to be emphasized. Now, if you want to show something else, for example, let's say you want to show the document camera. Just keep on clicking switch camera. There we go. Great. And now you can run on the document camera while Zoom students see you. Now recall, from the perspective of in-person students particularly, we don't want that. So I do recommend that you click on Hide Self-View. So now from the perspective of the Zoom students, they still see you walking around. Okay? You have hidden self-view only for in-person students. You have not hidden it for Zoom students. So they see you wandering around still, and you know they can see you because this back camera is selected. They can see fellow Zoom students here represented by the water bottle, and they can see whatever other camera you want to select, in this case, the document camera. So maybe you want to, for example, like I said, original example, have a view of in-person students. So now, Zoom students can see all of these. And I recommend that you minimize, for the benefit of the in-person students, this image of the in-person students. They won't be distracted, but you can change the view whatever you want.